Want to close more deals in less time? Smart triggers in GoHighLevel are the secret weapon to boosting sales automatically. Triggers let you automate actions based on client behavior, like sending a text when someone fills out a form, moving a lead to a new pipeline stage, or firing off a reminder before a call. For example, if a prospect books a call, you can trigger an instant confirmation email, plus schedule a follow-up reminder 24 hours before. No manual work, just smooth, automated touchpoints. This keeps leads engaged, reduces no-shows, and makes your sales process feels professional and seamless. So if you want sales that run on autopilot, start setting up smart triggers in GoHighLevel today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more videos like this. And good luck on your business journey.